Hi teachers, I have some very exciting news to share with you today. You can now use self-checkout. So I have a book that I want to check out today. So all you have to do is come over here to this lovely kiosk right here. And you're going to walk up to it. There's a scanner right here. You're going to scan your barcode on your badge. It's going to pop up to show your name, so make sure it says your name. Then you're going to scan your barcode of your book. You're going to make sure that that book is checked out to you. And then there's a little eraser with the reset code. You're going to scan your eraser. Make sure that you're logged out and you are good to go. So you are welcome to do that if you see that it is logged in. Otherwise, I will put the login on the front of the Chromebook. To log into it is WLE or self-checkout WLE, and then the password is checkout. So I will put that information on there for you. So hopefully this helps saves you a little bit of time.